Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the missing personal hotspot option on your iPhone so you can enable it and start sharing your internet again. This usually happens because of carrier settings, but we are going to fix it step by step. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. If you are watching this video, it means the personal hotspot option is not showing up in your iPhone settings. To fix this, first open Settings and go to Mobile Data. Then tap on Mobile Data Network. Once you are inside, here you need to disable the automatic carrier configuration and reset those settings. After that, scroll all the way down to the Personal Hotspot section. This is where you need to manually enter the required details. You will need to contact your carrier to get these details. You can either call them or check their website. In my case, I am using Digimobile in Spain. Now I am going to enter the details I found on my carrier's website. In the APN section, I am going to type internet.digimobile.es. For the username, I will enter Digi. Keep in mind, this is specific to my carrier, so yours will be different depending on your provider. For the password, I will also enter Digi. Once you have entered all the correct details, just go back to Settings. As you can see now, the personal hotspot option will appear again. You can open it and start sharing your internet with other devices without any problem. And that's it. Just make sure you use the correct settings from your carrier, and now your personal hotspot should be working again.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!